Hello friends, in last video we had seen the easiest technique for active and passive voice, and also we had converted the simple present tense and continuous present tense for active passive voice. So in this video again we will revise that technique and we will solve the active passive voice for other tenses. So as per our technique, in passive voice sentence we must use the third form of verb, that is past partial form, or also we can say v3 form of verb. For example, the first form of play is play, then the second form is played, and the third form is also played. So we have to use this third form in the passive voice. Then the second technique was, in passive voice we must use to be. This technique is because in some active voice or in some tenses like simple present tense or simple past tense, we doesn't need any to be in that sentence, but to convert passive voice from that active voice we must require to be in passive voice. So only two things are useful to convert passive voice from active voice. So in any type of passive voice we must require both things, like the third form of verb and to be. So here we will see the example for perfect present tense. So here we will take any example, that is I have played cricket. So in this tense, as we know, in perfect present tense we need have or has, and with have or has, or also in perfect present tense we always uses the v3 form. So this passive voice will be easy for us, because here we will exchange the object and subject like this. Now as per our technique, first we will put the v3 form. So here the easy thing is that in perfect present tense we already uses the third form, so we will put the same. Now here we will put the second technique, that is we must require to be. So with cricket, as we know, we will use has. Now here in between we will use been. So we have to remember, with have and has we have to use been in passive voice. So we have to not mistake that we don't have to do had from have or has. Here we are seeing have, then we must have to use only have or has. With third form or with third person we already know we are using has, and in other person we will use have. Now we will see the example for simple past tense. So in simple past tense we will see the example here, I played cricket. Here we clearly see that in this simple past tense we have not used any type of to be. So you will forget about to be also in our passive voice. So this technique will make you remember that we have to use to be in the passive voice. So now for past tense we know there are to be, did, then was, were. So here in past tense we will use was or were. So now we will do passive voice from active voice. So again object and subject, we will exchange them. Then as per our technique, first we will use the V3 form, that is played. Now here we can see that there is no to be in the active voice, but as per our technique in passive voice we must have to use to be. So for past tense we will use either was or were. So with cricket we will use was. So this is passive voice of simple past tense. Now we will convert the passive voice for continuous past tense. So we will take here one example. I was playing cricket. So we will apply again our technique and we will convert in passive voice. So again we will exchange the position of object and subject. So here by me. Now we will apply the first technique, that is we must have to convert the verb form into V3 form, that is played. Now we will here use to be. So here we have to use to be only was or were. So with cricket we will use again was. And from our question we can see that we now forget ing. So here we will put the ing with be in our passive voice. So in this way we can do the passive voice from the active voice with our same technique. Now we will see the passive voice for the perfect past tense. So in perfect past tense we will see the example, I had played cricket. So this example also very easy to convert in passive voice. So as per our technique we will exchange first the position of object and subject. Now we will put first the V3 form, and as we seen in perfect past tense or in perfect present tense we already uses the third form of V3 in active voice. So again we will use the same in passive voice. Then we will put the to be, the same like had, and we will put here been. So this is the passive voice of perfect past tense. Now we will see the passive voice for simple future tense. So we will take here one example, that is I shall play cricket. So as per our technique, first we will exchange the position of object and subject. Now we will convert the verb form, that is here V1 into V3. Now we will put the to be. So we know with cricket we have to use either shall or will, but with I we are using shall, but with cricket we will use will. And the last thing that we have to put here be in passive voice. So this is passive voice of simple future tense. So in this video you had seen that we can convert any type of passive voice from active voice with the same technique, that is only we must use V3 in the passive voice and we must use to be into passive voice. So if you like this video then subscribe our channel. Thank you.